Hello everyone, my name is Nori Matiaras. I am TGT Social Science at Kendra Vidyalaya Info number 2. Today I am going to teach a topic from class 6 Civics chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Understanding Diversity. So let's start the chapter. So this chapter we are going to start with the introduction. Okay, so introduction about it at understanding diversity. What is the meaning of the diversity and why we need to understand that diversity. Okay, so let's start with the first topic, first point of this introduction. In this chapter, you will learn that the people are different from each other in a many way. Not only do they look different, but they might also be belongs to the different regional, cultural, or religious background. So here in this chapter, we are going to learn that that people are different from each other in a many way. Not only in the look, okay, they are different in their religion, different in that regional background, different in the culture, okay, even different in the dress code, different in the food habit, different in the language. Okay, so these different people, this diversity, okay, or this difference we will find among the people. Then second point, look at here, all these different people who come from the different kind of the background and belongs to all the kind of the religions and culture help to make India so interesting and so diverse. Okay, so these different background people, they're going to live together in India. In India we're going to find that these people having a different dress code, okay, different food habit, different language, different religion, and they all together live they are going to be live together in our country. Okay, and it is going to make our country one of the most important nation. Okay, it's part of this cultural diversity. So here we finish the part of the introduction. Now let's come to the next point, that is the making a friend. But here the question is that, of course, we came to know that there are different diversity we found in our country. So can you make a friend? Okay, can you make a friend who are totally different from you? That we are going to start this making friend, this topic. Can you make a friend who are totally different from you? So suppose here, let's look at here, we are going to start with one question, that is, do you think that it would be easy for you to make a friend with someone who was very different from you? So can you make a friend who are totally different, okay, or very different from you? So suppose you are Manipuri, can you make a friend with a non-Manipuri? So suppose if you are a Hindu, can you make a friend with the Muslim or the Jainism or maybe a Buddhism, okay, or Christian? And suppose if suppose, can you make a friend who did not understand the Manipuri, or can you make a friend who did not understand Hindi or English? Okay, so the question arises for this one. This topic going to be start with this question. So, and the one interesting thing is that there is a one story in your NCERT book class 6 who is related with this question. Okay, here in this story is that there will be a two person who are totally different, but that they are going to become a friend. So let's see that story that is in your NCERT book. You read that in detail about this story. I'm going to briefly narrate the one that story. There will be a two person, okay, look at this side, there is a two person, one that is riding the bicycle and another one who is selling the newspaper. Okay, and the name of this both person is Samir. Okay, they are same name, but the one that is riding the bicycle, we're going to call as the Samir egg, and the one who is selling the newspaper we're going to call as the Samir dough. So Samir Egg usually used to go to this office by riding the bicycle, and Samir Egg used to say Samir Do. Okay, Samir Egg used to go to the office by riding the bicycle, and Samir Do, the boy, used to sell the newspaper at roadside. So they usually meet, okay, at the roadside, and Samir Egg one day asked for the Hindi newspaper. During that time, this boy is asking that, do you know Hindi, or do you understand, or do you are you able to read the Hindi? That time, this Samir Egg saying that yes, I read Hindi as a subject during my school days. Okay, then the Samir though during that time asking that what is the meaning of subject. That time Samir was very surprised that the boy is not knowing about the boy did not have any idea about the subject. That time he asking that the subject, why you asking about the subject, you did not know what is the subject, or have you ever been go to the school or not. That time Samir Do said that I have never been visited or never been gone to the school, and I started selling the newspaper. Okay, so that different arise in the economic condition, economic background. And not only that, the Samir Do said that he belongs to the Muslim also. Okay, then another one, another difference is that he did not understand English, but Samir Ek, okay, the one who is riding the bicycle, he understand the English, as well as he went to the school, and he got an education also, and he is a Hindu. And the Samir Do, the boy, he is a Muslim, and he never gone to the school. He is uneducated, as well as the another thing is that he only understand the Hindi. He did not understand English. Okay, so this difference is between these two person, but these two person become the friend. Okay, so in detail about this story, you just read from the NCERT book. Okay, it will be better because there is no time that I going to read each and every part. Okay, this is the second part of this story that is from the NCERT book. You just read it. Then now let's come to this one. Difference between the Samir Ek and the Samir Do. Okay, as I say that there is some difference between these two persons, but they become the friend. First one about the Samir Ek. This is about Samir Ek, and this is about Samir Do. Samir Ek, don't forget that the person who is riding the bicycle. Okay, and this is the one who this is the boy that is selling the newspaper. The one who is selling the newspaper. Okay, this is the boy. Okay, so let's see the difference. What are the difference between these two persons? First one, look at here, Samir Ek. Samir Ek is more familiar with the English. Okay, he understands English, but Samir do speak Hindi only. Okay, he did not understand the English. So this is the first difference. Second one, okay, the second one, that is Samir Ek is a Hindu. He is a Hindu. He belongs to the Hindu, but Samir Do is a Muslim. Okay, this is the second one. Second point, Samir Do is a Muslim. There is a religion different also. In the same time, another one, the third point, saying that the Samir Ek goes to the school. Okay, he is an educated person, but the Samir Do did not have the opportunity to attend the school. That means he is illiterate. He never went to the school. Okay, he did not get an education. So there are some difference between these two person, even though they become the what, friend. Okay, they become the friend. They come to know each other. Okay, there is a difference between these person, but they are what, they come to know each other. Then next one, what does diversity add to our lives? Okay, so suppose there are a lot of diversity, a lot of different, so different religion people are living together, then what that difference going to add to our life, what they going to bring to us? Okay, let's see the first point. You might have a friend who are very different from you. You have probably eaten a different kind of the food in your home, in their home, celebrated different festival with them, try out to the clothes they wear, and learn some of their language as well. So here the thing is that you have a friend who are very different from you. Okay, then what going to happen? You're going to visit your friend home, that and you're going to celebrate their festival also. You're going to try their food. Okay, who is very different, the one very different from the food that is cooked in your, yeah, at your home. Okay, and maybe sometime you're going to learn the different language also. Another thing is that the people who write a story get their idea from all sort of the different places, from book and the real life, and from their imagination also. Here it is an added point, that is, suppose if you wrote a story, and if you have a different friend, friend who are very different, okay, a friend from the different religion or different place, then you can get some idea from them also, and you can write a different story. That is some added point. Okay, then the next one, that is diversity in India. Okay, here in diversity in India, look at here. I have there is a one picture about the peoples of India, and they are wearing a different dress. Okay, look at here. Okay, in the same way, there are a lot of the picture in the internet about regarding that this diversity of India may be different in the food habit, different in the festival. Okay, so I have only pasted this one, pasted only the picture about the difference in the dress. India is a country of many diversity. Okay, India is a country of many diversity. Means there are a lot of diversity in the religion, also language. Okay, and food habit, dress code. Okay, then the next one, we speak a different language, have a various type of the food. Okay, and celebrate different festival, practice different religion. We have in India we have a different religion, different language. Of course, here we speak Manipuri. Some maybe speak Assamese, some maybe speak Telugu, some maybe speak Marathi, some maybe speak that Punjabi. Okay, there are a lot of different languages. In the same time, there are different type of the food also. Some maybe eat chapati, some maybe eat rice, some maybe eat this uh, dosha. Okay, some maybe eat another type of this meat, fish. Okay, so there are different type of the food also, and different type of the festival also, like Bihu, Ningol Sakuba. Okay, then the Vaishaki. Then we have the festival like Diwali, Christmas, Eid. So different festival are also celebrated in our country. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in a different way. Okay, of course there are different many things that we celebrate together, like Independence Day. We celebrate together. There's different diverse people we or different cultural people all together we celebrate, on the same day. Maybe we, and then another thing is that we do same many things in a different way, like say uh, in Manipur we have the Cherauba. In the same way in the Assam they have a Bihu. Okay, it is almost be similar to the one New Year, but the way of celebrating is slightly different. Okay, they celebrate their festival name as a Bihu, and we celebrate as the Cherauba. Like that, there are other some similarity also. Next, how do we explain diversity? Okay, so how can we explain that how did this difference are there? Okay, and how did this difference are originated? Why there is a difference? Okay, if we can say that how why there are different, or how did this different are originated. So let's check that this 3 point. From here we will try to understand that why there is a difference. As people begin to make their homes in the new places, people begin to change a little, and at other place they manage to do things in their old way. So their language, food, music, religion become a mix of them old and the new, and out of this intermixing of the culture came somehow sometimes something new and different. Okay, so here the thing is, suppose if you shifted, yeah, today you are living in the northeast India, suppose you shifted to the northern India, or maybe in the southern India. Okay, you're going to adjust with your new area also, and somehow you're going to have some habit about your old place also, and that old habit as well as a new experience going to mix up, and you're going to bring out there will be a new kind of the what culture going to be emerged from the you also, and that going to bring the diversity. Another thing is that the history of the many places show us how many different cultural influence have helped to shape the life and the culture there. So in the history also there are a lot of occasion or a lot of the incident happen that make a changes, that make a difference, and that bring up ultimately this diversity. Then the last point, similarly diversity also come about when the people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. So this difference is also because of the what, that adaptation to the geographical area. So suppose the person who is living in the mountain area and the person that is living in the sea beach area, they are never going to be similar. The person that is going to live in the desert and the person that going to live in the mountain area also not going to be similar. The desert area always going to prefer a food habit that going to cool down their body. Okay, because the temperature is very high, but the person that is living in the mountain area only going to prefer the hot food, because the in the mountain area the temperature are always be going to be what, low. Okay, so this difference in the geographical area also bring the what diversity. So here we finish that part. Now this is the assignment. Okay, this is an assignment. Look at the assignment. So look at here. You have to make a list of at least 3 different ways in which people in India do the following. One of the possible answer has been given for you already. Okay, so you have to write here, 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 here. Okay, what you have to write is that for the first one, different way or way in which people prayer. Okay, so here one they have already given through singing the hymns. Another one may be how they used to do the prayer. Maybe they go to the church and maybe they do the this one. Another one you can say that about going in the temple. Okay, then another different way in which people get married. Okay, so here one they have given in about this one in the court. Another one you can say here about the people getting married at mandir, another one at the church. Okay, Christian people they used to get married at the church. Different way in which people dress. Here they have given about the Manipur, that is in Manipur women wear a fanek. Then you can say about the South India, they used to wear the longi. Then another about you can add about the that Northern India, okay, some dress. Then the different way in which people greet each other. Okay, that means you can say about the that Muslim people they used to greet each other. Then about the Hindu also, maybe in the time of the festival. Okay, then the different way in which people cook rice. Okay, so biryani is given there. You can say about the palau, or you can say about the simple rice, boiled rice they used to do in the even Northeast India. Okay, then the palau also you can say here. So you just do this assignment. Another assignment is also there. This is the second one. What you have to do is that draw up a list of the different festivals celebrated in your locality. Which of these celebrations are shared by the member of the different region and the regions community. So you have to write the name of the festival that is celebrated in your locality area. So you have to write only 3. Okay, you just write 3. The serial number is given here. Write the name of that festival, maybe a Yaoshan, Ningon Sakoba, Cherauba, or maybe Holi. Okay, Holi or whatever, or maybe Christmas, Good Friday, or maybe that Eid. Okay, whatever you have to write, you can write it whatever you like. Then you have to write that member of the different regional and the religious community that's here that festival. So suppose if you write about it that holy, then you can write that Hindu also, Muslim also celebrate that, Christian also celebrate that. Okay, all we together celebrated that festival. Then the about the, if suppose you write about the Cheraba, then the mainly is the Meitei. Then you can write about the Muslim also. They are sometimes they also be celebrated celebrate this. They also be invited. Okay, then the Christian also you can write like that. Okay, so here we finish that second assignment. So thank you everyone.